Hello everybody, this is Brandon Joy, and today we are doing destruction. As you can see, I have officially got a jet. Franklin has, if you have Grand Theft Auto, you can get lots of cool things. And so, probably my videos are going to be every 2 days, and this is going to be my first video, and I'll just go for some destruction. That was a miss. That was a failure actually. I'm not good at driving jets. Seriously not good at driving jets. I better go and see. Oh, I got something. Finally. Some destruction in this place. Let's see if we can get a good hit. Good hit. No! Nope, that was a fail. Still got more to do. To be honest, I'm going back to get some cops. What would it be good without destroying any cops? That's better. Okay, this is going to be about 10 minutes. Don't know what time it is just now. Let's go and get a haircut today. Okay, that was a fail. Try and get a good turn on this. Not that turn. Ooh! So close. Let's get a big. I know I'm being pretty much a show off, but I'm not meaning. I'm trying to turn. Here comes the missile. Here it comes! Oh! Time to get a big turn. Oh, I lost it. Let's get back in the game. Nearly. Bet we use some machine guns. Oh! Let's get over here. I'm not getting no one. There we got some. That's better. Get some missiles in there. Just get to the side. Uh-oh. That's bad. Oh! Ooh! Okay, that was much as a massacre on me. Just going to check how much time we've got left. We've got plenty of time. So let's head over to Franklin and yeah. So I'm gonna probably make another video on Thursday. Then it's gonna be Saturday. Then I'll just keep going on and on and on and on and on. Then it'll be Monday. So yeah. I might make another video today, since this is my first video. Oh yeah, let's head over to Franklin. Get ourselves a tank. So where's Franklin just now? He's way over there. Look, this is how you do a brilliant dive. Watch this. Go way over here. I know it's not much of a nice car, but I'm gonna see those bends. You can go on those bends, climb up this, then
is that steaming pile of shit a present for not training you?
So probably gonna go on the bike. So I just started going on. Let's go. And we need to go way down here. Let's move. I'll turn off this so you guys can hear me. So yeah, we need to hurry. Yeah, let's go fast. Yeah, put something on. Put on some music for travel. I've been playing a wee bit of Grand Theft Auto Online. It's alright. Don't play it that much. I've completed the story and it's kind of getting boring, but still. At least I can put my head back and forward, like, yeah, good job here. How's Billy doing? Yeah, you can buy properties in this. It's really good. Good God. Alright. I know. What makes no fucking... What makes no sense? Oh look, there's Billy. I'm done with him. Liz. I need to be careful. Because there could be planes coming down here. Just let me check. Yeah, we've got a couple of minutes. Or maybe I should just end the video here, guys. Hope you like my journey. And see you guys later.